I have to show this. These are other types of vacuum seal bags. They rip easy. I've had plenty of them rip. They get holes in them. Like, I don't even know how the air it just leaks back in. Like, they just don't last. Like, all of them, none of them are completely compressed anymore. All of them have gotten some type of air in it. There's, I believe, 2 different styles here. I just got to the point where I just stopped doing them. I'm like, I can't even do them. They're not working good. I got these, and this has been so much better. The process is so much more simpler. It fits a lot in these bags. You're going to get 3 different style of bags, and you get 5 of each, sizes, and you get 5 of each size. But it's going to take care of all of this mess. Like, I can't wait to switch them out and fix them. The one thing I noticed with the other ones, some other ones that I have, these ones are the type of sealing. It's just a cap. It lets air back in. It says it's supposed to seal it. It doesn't, because obviously this is proof. This is still zipped up. This is still pinched together and zipped up. And it just keeps letting air back in. This one, on the other hand, let me zoom out a little bit here. This one, on the other hand, has the zipper, double zipped top. This one also has a double zip top, but where we come into the difference here is this right here. This is the main mechanism that is going to make it work so much better and keep it sealed. It is completely sealed. The design is so much better. There is going to be no air seeping through these. And I know, because I've already used these. I've already tried these out. I just finally got down here to replace all of these and switch them out. So I'm so happy about these. I also love the fact that you get a little portable vacuum here. And I can just put it on, and I can attach it to a laptop. You can attach it to a socket or your power bank. And that's what I did here. And not to mention, at the end of this, it has 2 different types. So if you want to use a certain type for a certain whatever you want to hook it up to, you can. But you don't have to put it and plug it into an outlet, and that's what I absolutely love. Like, this is just so much more simpler, and it's going to last, and it's not going to look like this.